While writing this book, But First Me, I realised that I had given my clients the positive psychology, the happy habits, which is the masculine. And since then, I've gone deeper into my own Celtic spirituality in Ishnach, in Slieve na Cali, and in listening to the land speak. When we access the spiritual feminine energy within us, that allows us to turn down the masculine energy. We can self-reflect by taking a walk in nature, by journaling, or just by sitting in silence. We can use the Celtic power of three, the self-love habits, the self-reflection, and the self-meditation to move forward as mothers. The three work together in an infinity loop. They're not linear, they're not 1, 2, 3 steps on a ladder. The linear is so limiting. I had my spiritual awakening 13 years ago on the Ganges River with my Indian husband. Writing this book, But First Me, has allowed me to go deep into my motherland, Ireland, into my mother tongue, Gaeilge, the Irish language, and into Mother Nature. And it's the power of all those three things. The Indian-Irish interconnectedness. The Indian has brought up the Irish Celtic in me, because motherhood is a spiritual journey. And that's the great news I want to share with you all.